Hey, what's up, guys? So I had a customer that called me because they said that their Nest thermostat isn't charging and they've had to take it off the wall and charge it manually. We're gonna go check it out and see what's going on. Don't forget to like and follow, guys.
The first thing we need to do is see how this thing is wired up. Check it out, guys. Everything is good except we don't have a common. I informed the customer that we were going to have to run a new wire if she wanted this thing to be charging 24/7. She did give me the okay to go ahead and do that. Now, this part is not going to be too difficult because the thermostat is located on the other side of the wall. I just made a hole that goes all the way through and I shoved the wire through there. This wire is going to be an 18/8 wire. We're going to have 8 different wires that we can use to be able to connect to the thermostat. That's it right there. I do that so that that wire doesn't fall in through the wall. Now we ended up using 5 wires out of the 8 wires that were available. I went ahead and just connected the thermostat back onto the wall, and I ended up confirming that it was charging and everything is cooling now. I also ended up finding the side of this plenum actually wasn't taped and there was air coming through it. So I went ahead and just put some tape on there just to make sure that we didn't have any excess leakage through the system. Now I'm just going to go ahead and check the supply temperature with my temperature probe real quick.
So that's it for that call. Now, just so you guys are aware, if you have a Nest thermostat, the way that it works is if you do not use the common wire, then it's only charging whenever the system is running. So like if it's in cooling or if it's in heating, probably is when it's going to charge it. Now, if you end up connecting the common wire to it, then it's going to be charging 24/7. Okay, that's what you want, because it could be that, it was charging little by little and then little by little it was slowly dying. They just didn't realize it until it finally died 100%. Got that new wire in there, and I did tell them that if it doesn't charge, then it's going to be due to the thermostat. It's not going to be due to the wiring anymore. Okay, so that's pretty much it for there. I did wait about 20 minutes and the low battery indication did go away, so it was charging before I left. Anyways, guys, take care and have a great day.